Then talk, say the one where they talk for that side. That guy never hear. That I have to come here so that he can hear that in the last 23 years, we have seen nothing in the state of Lagos. They've been busy enriching themselves. But this time, it is time for us to have a government that is going to work for all of us. I said earlier on that the current governor, when he took over office, our poverty rate in the state of Lagos, where Ambode left it, was 4.5%. Now, it is 8.5%. I said earlier on that this guy, when he took over office as governor of Lagos State, our unemployment rate in the state of Lagos was 14.6%. Now, it is 37.16%. Despite the fact that he said he has invested 10 billion naira in Lagos State Employment Trust Fund. Where has the money gone to? But let me tell you why he failed and why they will continue to fail. These guys and his deputy, both of them, all their lives, they've ever been as salary earners. They've never invested one kobo into this economy. Look at my deputy, you know her, and Jandor. At the age of 31, I started employing people in this economy. Funke and I, we've had costs to source for fund, turn it around, invest it in this economy, make profit, employ people, and pay taxes. But for them, they have never in their life done that. This is why we are better off them. I am 45, she is 45. We have energy, we are physically fit, we are mentally fit. We are going to turn around the economy of this state. I said earlier on that what you have, where thugs under the guise of NURTW people were terrorizing Lagosians. No, they are not the one terrorizing you. It is your government that is terrorizing you. If they want it to stop today, it will stop. And like I said, as the 16th governor of Lagos State, I will put a stop to all forms of harassment in our market, on our roads, and we make sure Lagos works for everybody. Finally, let me tell us, I have been saying this. So far, I have visited 95 wards from the 245 wards, and we are still going. But everywhere I go to, don't forget, I remind you that the only election we have in this state to win is the February 25th election. That first ballot, the moment we are done winning that election, they will leave Lagos and run away. Don't get it twisted. Funke and I have been ordained by God that we are the one that will put an end to this dynasty that has held us in the Jugula over 2 decades. With the support of my president, who is going to be the 16th president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Look at him. He is sound. When he speaks, he's coherent. When he speaks, you see experience speaking. He is calm. You can see, even in the face of provocation, he is so calm. Very presidential. Your Excellency, the 16th President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar Waziri Adamawa, my Oga. Thank you very much and welcome to Lagos.
Ẹ̀yin ará Èkó, ẹ bá mi ṣá Jandor látẹ̀wọ́. Ẹ̀yin ará Èkó.